What's up everyone, I'm Tony Carbajal. About this time last year, I made a video installing an SNS exhaust system onto my FTR1200. I made the mistake of dubbing music over the riding, and I understand people come here looking for install tips, looking for looks, looking for, hearing the exhaust to pass judgment, possibly looking to make a purchase. So that's my bad. And today, I just want to leave you guys with some raw footage of the SNS exhaust on the FTR1200. I hope this video finds some of you well that are looking for just that, and I hope you enjoy this footage. See you next time.